Today, I'll show you how to make a group voice call in Telegram, making it easy to connect with friends, family, or your colleagues, no matter where they are. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in starting, scheduling, and inviting people to join a group call, whether you're on your laptop or using Telegram's web or mobile app. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together, making sure you get clear, simple guidance at each stage. First, open the group chat where you want to host the voice call. This is your starting point. Imagine it like your virtual meeting room where all the members you want to chat with are already gathered. You'll find your group listed under your recent chats, or if you're in a lot of groups, you can easily use the search bar at the top to find the right one. Don't worry if it takes an extra second to locate. Sometimes our chat lists get a little crowded. Once you have the group open, look up to the top right corner of your screen if you're on desktop or the web version of Telegram. Here you'll see an icon that looks like a little sound wave or voice bubble. This is the Start Voice Chat button. Click on that icon. This is the key to starting your group voice conversation. Telegram makes it pretty intuitive, but the first time it might look unfamiliar. Think of this just like flipping on the lights before a meeting. Next, Telegram will give you two choices. You can start the voice call immediately, or you can schedule it for later. Starting the call right away is perfect for those spontaneous catch-ups or urgent group discussions. Just choose the Start Now option and you're live. But if you want to make sure everyone has time to join, for example, if you're planning a team meeting or a family call, select the scheduling option. Then pick your date and time. Telegram will even notify the group when the call is about to start, kind of like sending out calendar reminders for an event so nobody misses out. Now, if you want even more control or flexibility with inviting people, or maybe you're on mobile, you'll want to explore the Calls tab in Telegram. Sometimes you might not see this tab right away depending on your settings, so don't worry if it's not immediately visible. Just head into your app settings and look for the Calls section. Here you might need to enable calls first if you haven't done it before. Once that's set up, return to the main chat screen and you'll see Calls as one of your options at the bottom or side menu. In the Calls tab, tap on the new call icon. It usually looks like a plus sign or a phone symbol. This opens up more call options. For group calls, we're interested in creating a call link, which anyone can join simply by clicking. To do this, tap New Call Link. Telegram will instantly generate a custom link just for your call. Now all you have to do is copy that link and send it to anyone you want to join the group voice call. This is especially handy if some of your invitees aren't already in the group, or if you want to post the link somewhere else. You could drop the link into the group chat, text it, or even email it, really however you communicate. Just like sharing a Zoom link, this makes it super easy and open for anyone you trust to hop into the conversation. And that's it, you've now set up your Telegram group voice call with several options for scheduling and sharing the invite link so everyone can join in smoothly. If something doesn't work the first time or the buttons look a little different, just take a breath. Telegram updates often, but the basics stay the same. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop your questions or share your experience in the comments below, and of course, subscribe if you want more simple, clear tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy calling.